So guys, welcome back. You are gonna go in the fridge, and yeah, I have the flash on because it's gonna be dark in here. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close the door. That's not exactly. Oh, wait, it's almost good. Oh, it's oh, that's perfect. Oh, it's perfect. Okay, you guys ready? It looks weird in there. Whoa. Okay, that was the fridge. What happens if I slam it closed? I feel like my camera will drop. And that's why you're gonna go down here. A mustard bottle. That wasn't much of a slam. All you can see is like some cream cheese. Whoop. Oh, okay. Okay, so now you're gonna go in the freezer. This one's even colder.